Today in this video you will learn about BODMAS rule, which is very beneficial when we have expressions involving two or more than two operations. So now in BODMAS rule, B stands for brackets, O stands for off, D means division, M multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. So first of all, whenever an expression will be given, you will solve the brackets first, and brackets are to be solved in the order from innermost to outermost. That is, the round brackets first, followed by curly brackets, which is in turn is followed by square braces. After that comes off. Off can be like fraction of, percentage of, and so on. Next comes division. Division is the symbol like this. Whenever we will be having two numbers where this symbol exists between them, we will divide them first. After that, we will solve multiplication if it exists between any two numbers. Then we will add, and finally subtraction will be there. Now point to be noted is this, that if any of the operations out of these is missing, then we will skip that and jump to the next operation. Let us understand this with the help of few examples. So we are having the one here. First one is 21 minus 12 divided by 3 into 2. So as we have to solve it according to the rule BODMAS, first we look for the brackets. As you can see here, brackets are not there, off is also not there. After that comes D. So first of all we will divide, and division symbol exists between 12 and 3. So to solve it, firstly we rewrite it. Now 12 divided by 3 gives us 4. So we write 21 as such, minus, after dividing we get 4 into 2. After this, D, division, we get multiplication. Now multiplication is between 4 and 2. So 4 into 2 is 8. So here 21 minus as such, after multiplying we get 8. After D we got M, and then there is A. Now here in this expression we don't have A. So we go to the next operation, that is subtraction. Now 21 minus 8 gives you 13. So your answer is 13. Now having the second example, 16 plus 8 divided by 4 minus 2 into 3. First of all, there is no brackets, no off. So third one is division. Division is between 8 and 4. So we will solve it first. For that we rewrite it, and now in the next step we will just divide 8 by 4. That gives us 2. So here we will write 2 in place of this. Rest of the numbers and operations we will write as such. So here it is 16 plus 8 divided by 4 is 2 minus 2 into 3. After division we have multiplication symbol in this expression. Here 2 into 3, that is 6. So in next line we get 16 plus 2 minus 6. After multiplication we have A. A means addition. Now addition is between 16 and 2. 16 plus 2 gives 18. Then minus 6. Now we have to subtract. After subtraction we get 12, and that is our answer. Going towards example number 3. Here we have 126 divided by square brackets 24 minus curly brackets 15 minus round brackets 4 into 3. Then round brackets are closed, followed by curly brackets, and finally square brackets are closed. Now to solve it by using BODMAS, we have to solve the brackets first, and brackets are to be solved in the order from innermost to outermost. That is, we will solve this round brackets first, then curly brackets, and finally square brackets. Now to solve it, first we rewrite it. Now we will solve 4 into 3. 4 into 3 gives us 12. So in next line we will write 126 divided by square brackets 24 minus curly braces 15 minus. Now 4 into 3 is 12. So we write 12 here, and since this bracket is solved, so we will not put round brackets now. We will write now this curly braces and finally square brackets. Now in next step, we will solve these curly braces. So 15 minus 12 is 3. So in next step, we will just replace this by 3. Rest of the numbers and operations we will write as such. So now we have 126 divided by square brackets 24 minus 3, then square brackets are closed. Now 24 minus 3 gives us 21. So in place of this we write 21. Now 126 divided by 21 is 6. So here our answer is 6. Now let us do the fourth example. Square brackets 100 plus curly brackets 30 minus round brackets 5 into 2, then round brackets is closed, then curly bracket and finally square bracket into 15. So we will solve it in a similar manner. First innermost bracket, then going towards the outermost bracket. So we rewrite it, then we will solve 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So in the next step we have square brackets 100 plus curly brackets 30 minus 5 into 2 gives you 10. Then we close the curly braces, and after this we will insert here square bracket also this into 15. Now in next step we will solve this curly braces, that is 30 minus 10. It will give you 20. So here we have square brackets 100 plus 30 minus 10 is 20. So we write it. Then we have square bracket into 15. Now 100 plus 20 is equal to 120. So we write here in place of this 120 into 15. Now 120 into 15 gives you 1800. That is your answer. So now children, I hope you will be able to do every question related to BODMAS rule. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.